वेल हेलो एवरीवन, होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग ग्रेट। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं द मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड मैच ऑफ द पीपीएल सीजन 2, none other than Yuvraj Verma versus Mazahir Saidu. Without further ado, let's dive in. I'm gonna give reaction analysis. Go. Let's go. Yes, 191 centimeter, 183 centimeter, 19, 18.8 biceps, 17 forearms. All right, let's go. Yes.
The match is here.
Yes, the match is here.
इंडियन आर्म रेसलिंग के
Yes.
आज की लड़ाई
Yes. All right.
चर्चा कर रहे हैं सीधे रेफरी से।
All right.
Start this
Okay.
match.
Okay. Strap match. It's a strap match.
सहमति दिखाई। दोनों ने कहा बिल्कुल निर्मल देवी और योगेश चौधरी जैसे अंदाज में स्ट्रैप लाओ सामने।
Yes. Let's go.
एकदम
Okay. Strap डाल दिया.
कई बार
We'll go with the match.
बुलेट बादशाह राउंड यहाँ
Okay.
पास माया बुलेट बादशाहों के बाद
Woo! Okay, I'll go back.
मज़ाहिर साइडू तो बुलेट बादशाहों के बाद
Oh my goodness! What was that? He is the king. What do you think? He's the king. I think he's gonna take Bullet Badshah around. The way he's going with the flash pin, I don't think there is any chance to Yuvraj Verma. That is what I'm thinking.
मज़ाहिर साइडू
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh ho ho ho! Let's go!
कुछ भी करना
What? Bullet Badshah round?
अपना फेमस टॉप रोप
Bullet Badshah round?
जिक्र हुआ था बुलेट बादशाह का और मज़ाहिर
Oh
साइडू
my goodness. Did I tell you this is gonna happen? And this happened. Let's go! Let's go. What do you think? Will you see the same flash pin? क्या लगता है आपको, यही फ्लैश पिन होने वाला है या समथिंग एल्स, और मे बी होल्ड हो सकता है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
पर आपने संदेह इस नहीं है
Okay, strap is
एक
happening.
सेकंड भी नहीं रुकना चाहते
Okay,
हैं
I'll just move forward.
बात उनकी
All right.
सल्तनत प्राइज दे सकते
Strap हो
हैं
गया. Come on.
इंडियन आर्म
Come on,
रेसलिंग
come on, come on, come on. Let's go.
चाहती है।
Mazahir, do something.
या मज़ाहिर दिखा
You are here for the throne. Come on, wrist straight. Okay. Okay.
यहाँ पे
Oh, Mazahir. You आज what are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो? युवराज भाई, you are the national COC champion and you're losing like this flash pin. I didn't expect this, man. What are you saying? Is he that strong, Mazahir? Oh my goodness. अगर आप नहीं रोक पा रहे तो कोई भी नहीं रोक पाएगा in the whole India. Oh my goodness. 0.3 second.
बोर होने लग जाएंगे
You heard 0.3 second.
चाहते होगे कि मुझे
Damn. Oh, let's go. The hard
ये जो अग्रेशन था
aggression. Okay.
नॉर्मली हम देख नहीं पाते
That's true.
आज
दिख
मज़ाहिर
पा रहा है।
साइडू पूरी
Yes.
तरह तैयार
All right. All right. Let's go forward a bit.
की चीज प्लान की
Let's go forward a bit.
हुई थी।
Okay. Okay.
इंडियन आर्म रेसलिंग
All right.
विश्व स्तर पर
Come on. Oh.
योद्धा
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
आया है और आप तो
What am I witnessing? Okay, they're smiling each other. उठा भी दिया उनको. Oh my goodness. I think Mazahir भाई को युवराज is like what 10 kg. Oh my goodness. इतना easily उठाया उनको. Oh my goodness. Oh bro, let's go Mazahir bhai. I think you are Indian Livan. You are an undisputed man as of now. That is what I'm feeling right now. Oh, पूरे के पूरे टीम ने उठाया
कोच और उनके सभी टीममेट्स मज़ाहिर साइडू को अपने कदमों
कदमों
पर
पे.
और उनके कंधों पर मज़ाहिर साइडू
ओ हो. Okay,
इस
okay,
अंदाज में
okay.
जीत हासिल की
Wow.
जितनी तारीफ
Shit. Everybody shocked. Oh, मज़ाहिर भाई को उठाया है. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
टेबल डाउन टू अर्थ
Oh my goodness. So do we have? All right.
in this big match
Oh my goodness. Right after that यहाँ कुछ मज़ाहिर भाई बताएंगे.
I'm still learning, but I'm trying to get stronger.
Uh-huh.
The thing is, people like you, Raj, and they're pushing me, so I keep getting better and better. The gap is closing, it's getting close. So I appreciate you, Raj. He's doing an amazing job.
All right.
So the thing is, he's also pushing all the Indian athletes to get better, So I wish all the best for him.
All right.
Get stronger, bro. So he's
Wow.
potential. He's a big guy. He's a giant. And we have a lot of people he's pushing in India. So I wish all the best to you. Thank you so much.
All right.
But
All
you
right.
know what? All the
Statement.
true that the entire you are today.
Okay.
The thing
For
is,
you guys.
what I believe is consistency is the key. So it doesn't matter what kind of background you're from. What do you do? What
That's
do you
true.
study? If you have a dream,
That's true.
work for it.
Yes.
It doesn't matter if you
Yes.
sleep less, sleep more. It doesn't matter. Like once you have an aim, go for it.
Go for it.
Everything will be possible.
Yes.
I'm a chartered accountant. I was studying 10 hours a day, but still I managed to train. Study together, and I work. And I work from morning to night, and then I go for training. So it's not easy for me also, but once I have a dream, so I have something in mind, so I work for it. I request everyone to follow a dream and make life worthwhile. Thank you so much.
Make your life
Thank you for
worthwhile.
not just being a chartered accountant. Yuvraj, you have something to say.
Mazahir is an inspiration to me. Actually, he's consistent and I look up to him, man. Like, he's strong, he's humble. He has always taught me a lot. He do this, do that. But definitely, I am here for the sport to be on top, and I will not stop until I am.
I am.
Well,
Bold
India,
statement.
Just to give you a small
Bold
reference,
statement.
I am 5 feet 10 inches tall and 90 kgs.
All right.
Now you know
All
what
right.
you're talking about.
Yes.
The two beasts next to us.
Yes.
It is impossible.
Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Guys, जैसे आपने मैच देखा, I think most of the people have thought कि हाँ भाई easy मैच होने वाला है, मज़ाहिर will win. But इस लेवल पे मतलब फ्लैश पिन के ऊपर फ्लैश पिन एंड दैट टू 0.3 सेकेंड में युवराज वर्मा को बीट करना, इट्स नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल टू एनी अदर एथलीट, राइट? इफ ही हैज डन दैट by Mazahir, that means he is in pinnacle level. He's in his prime. And at the same time, don't compare with the international as of now. I think he's climbing, and you will see really good matches in the future for sure. And Yuvraj Verma has to work on his major cupping, which is still it's opening. ओके थोड़ा कपिंग के ऊपर काम करेंगे. आई थिंक वो नर्वस हो जाते जब भी मज़ाहिर के मैच में आते, तो वो थोड़ा अगर गैप थोड़ा ये हो जाता है, आई थिंक ही विल गिव रियली गुड फाइट. अदर देन दैट, रियली गुड मैच, good entertaining, and finally we have seen who is the undisputed of 2025 I think in the arm wrestling right now. I think 2-3 years वो गैप फिल होने के लिए, जैसे मज़ाहिर भाई ने बताया अभी. That's all guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, जय हिंद.